Hey, welcome back. Today, let's talk about a platform most coaches ignores. That is LinkedIn. And honestly, that's a huge mistake, especially if you sell premium programs. Because while Instagram might get you likes, LinkedIn gets you decision makers who can afford your coaching. Think about it. People on LinkedIn are not scrolling for memes. They are there to learn, network, and grow, which means they are already in the right mindset to invest in themselves. And unlike Instagram, you don't need fancy reels or dancing around. What works here is thought leadership, insights, tips, case studies, and client success stories. Here is how to get started. Optimize your profile. Treat it like a landing page. Headline should say who you help and how. Example, I help digital coaches fill their webinar with qualified leads. And number two is post 2 to 3 times per week. Yes, share short tips, client stories, or industry insights. Don't overthink. Just share what you know. Number three is engage with your network. Comment and post, DM people who interact with your content, but don't pitch immediately. Start a real conversation. Number four, use LinkedIn Sales Navigator. It's a paid tool, but lets you filter and directly connect with your ideal audience. And to track what's working, use a tool like Shield Analytics. It shows which posts are driving the most visibility. A friend of mine, a leadership coach, started posting short case studies on LinkedIn. One post about how she helped a manager handle team conflicts got 50,000 views. From that one post, she had 12 consultation calls booked. Out of them, three converted into premium clients. That's the kind of impact LinkedIn can have. So, if you are a coach selling high ticket programs, LinkedIn should be non-negotiable. Post value, connect with the right people, and watch your client base grow. Next episode, we'll talk about what to do after you get leads, how to nurture them using email marketing. I'll see you in the next episode.